Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. Roast beef toast. First, we're gonna make a delicious rub. I'm using onion powder and about 1 teaspoon. Rozemary, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon oregano. 1 teaspoon of paprika. A teaspoon of thyme. Some MSG. And I'm grinding a lot of black pepper in it. And some garlic powder. Now we're gonna give this a good mix. But we're also gonna add one more ingredient. And that's smoked paprika. Oh man, I love smoked paprika. And one final mix. There, the rub is done. Look at that, delicious. Now look at this piece of meat, beautiful. And we're gonna coat it with a rub. And we're really gonna massage it in. Every side, every nook, every corner. It's gonna be rubbed. Now for the searing of the meat, we're gonna use some good olive oil. And a piece of butter. Oh yes, butter. That will give it a really nice taste. Now, we're gonna sear the meat for about 5 minutes. Just let it really brown, caramelize on the outside, make it a beautiful color. Oh yes, look at that bubbling. Now look at that, it's almost done. Just a little bit more on the sides, really give it that beautiful brown, golden color. And then it's done. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna use this container, and it has a small bottom in it for the fat so it can render out. Now put in our meat and all our pan juices, that delicious butter. Now we're gonna stick in one of those thermometers. And when the meat is done, when the meat is beautiful, the blue pin will pop out. And it takes about 35 minutes. Now let's do this. I also bought this organic batard multigrain bread. And it's really delicious. And we're gonna make 2 big slices. And we're making this toast just for one person. Me. Because I like it so much. Now look at that, beautiful. 2 big pieces. For the bread, I'm gonna use some thick butter. And it's an unsalted butter. And we're gonna smear a lot on it. Because we're gonna pan sear them. Give them a really nice color. And a smoky, toasty flavor. You really have to heat up the pan. And put them butter side down. And I think I put them in for about 2.5 minutes. Let's just give it a quick peek. It's not quite done yet. A little bit more. And this one also needs some... Did you see that bubbling? Oh man, they're ready, I think. Look at that. Yes. Make it a bit extra special. I'm gonna use this English vintage cheddar, and it matured for about 12 months. And I'm all about cheese. You know that. I'm gonna slice off 3 slices. That should be enough for our toast. Or roast beef toast with some good old cheese on it. Delicious. Our roast beef is done. Let's have a look. Ooh, it's a beautiful brown color. And look at that stick. It came out. So it has to be perfect. But first, it's gonna rest for about 10 minutes in some tin foil. Really let those juices flow through it. Let it become moist. Now let's have a look inside. Oh, beautiful. And it smells so amazing. I really want to cut into it. Have a look. And that's what we're gonna do. Now, I think I'm gonna slice it in the middle. Just to see how beautiful it looks inside. Now, whoa, that looks amazing. Yes, this toast is gonna be epic. Now, I'm gonna slice up the rest so it's easier for making our toast and sharing it with my family. Now look at that, beautiful. It's plating time, and first we're gonna start with our toast. Then I'm gonna add some truffle mayonnaise, and that's absolutely delicious. If you never had it, then go buy it. We're also gonna add some greens. This is a mixed bag of rocket salad, and it gives it a bit of an earthy taste. Now our beautiful roast beef. 3 slices will be enough. Some extra truffle mayo. Oh man, yes. Extra is always good. Now our beautiful English vintage cheddar cheese. And we're also going to put 3 slices on it. And some more greens. Oh man, I really struggle always with keeping the greens on. But hey, it's delicious. And to top it off, our other slice of bread. This is done. I'm hungry and I know it's gonna taste amazing. The cheese, the beef, everything. Oh man, I can't wait. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my roast beef toast. If you're new to the channel, then I hope you subscribed. If you're an old-time friend of the channel, thank you for being here. Give me a like, give me a comment. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill. See you there.